Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sing World, and I am back with another video. Now listen, I'm excited. There's a lot going on. Before we get into everything that's going on, if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Join the movement, man. I keep telling y'all, well, I've recently been telling y'all that the only thing that I want from you guys to watch my videos is make sure that notification bell is hit. That's it. You watch it, you click it, you open it, hit the notification bell, and enjoy the rest of the show. But anyway, my baby is with me. Joso is with me. It's the middle of the afternoon. It's early in the afternoon, and he's not in school. He's not feeling well, unfortunately. So we have a couple errands to run to make sure we get him better. But we're also going to go pick up these Jordan 1 Patinas or Rush Shadows or whatever they're calling them. So that's one of the moves for the day. That's late in the priorities. We got things to tend to first, but we are going to pick those up, man. Shout out to my boys over at Soul Classics. I finally was able to hit locally again. But while we're on the road to go take care of some other things, I want you guys to watch this clip of about I think March's heater cheeks. I made some statements in that video that might come back to bite me. So I'm gonna insert that right here. Please watch all the way through. It's about a minute and a half, 2 minutes long, and then we'll get back to regular scheduled programming. Let's get it. All right, let's jump right back into my favorite silhouette, the Jordan 1. Now this is the Jordan 1, and these are called Patinas. It says they're black, light army, sail, and fresh mint. I don't see any mint on these. I don't know where. I have been watching the videos, so I don't know if there's early reviews on these or not, but this says March 13th for $170. These are cheeks. And there's a few things going on that I don't like about this sneaker. I think that this had great intentions and potential, but I think that it missed the mark. The back of the sneaker is too light for me, as far as I think it's like a nubuck or a suede looks. But I don't like how light it is compared to the front of the sneaker, which is, I believe, wipes away to a bronze or some other color. I'm not exactly sure, but the blackish, grayish, oily type color to me looks like, when if an ink pen spills and you smear it, that's what it looks like to me. Like if the ink comes out of an ink pen and it smears around, I don't like that. I don't like it. I think that the leather looks nice from pictures. Who knows what it looks like in person? But I think even outside of the oil spill on the front, or the ink spill on the front, the light gray suede or whatever on the back just doesn't contrast properly to me. I feel like if that was a darker gray or a different, like some darker tone, like even like a dark navy, that would be fire. I don't know. Maybe it's my eye sockets. They're cheeks, but I'm gonna go for them. All right, so y'all can see from that clip where my thought process was on these. And I can't say that my thought process has changed. We just pulled up. We're outside of Soul Classics now. So I'm still on the fence. I'm happy that I hit. I'm happy that definitely more happy that I hit locally and I'm able to support local business. That's what I'm most happy about with this. But I have to see them in hand. I can't go off what other people say. I can't go off of the pictures. My initial thoughts, cheeks. Let's see. All right, I see it right there. Soul Classics. You know what I'm saying? Something you don't see every day right here. You know what I'm saying? Not every day. I'm trying. You know I love it here. I still need to get all of these. I need to get all three of these. I like these too. All right, y'all. You see what it is. Soul Classics, Patina ones. And this is one of the beautiful things about supporting local, man. You come in, they call me by my first name when I walk in the door. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the experience sometimes. You know what I'm saying? You don't get that when you walk into your Foot Locker, your Foot Action, your Finish Line, and all that other stuff. When you shop locally, you support local. That's the type of service you get, man. And that's what I appreciate, man. So shout out to the people over here at Soul Classics. It's always a pleasure. Until next time. All right, guys. Obviously, we've made it back to the house. And I have not, I promise you guys, I have not looked at this sneaker. I didn't look at it inside the store. So I wanted to give my 100% authentic reaction once I open it right here with you guys on camera. Once again, shout out to Soul Classics down in the short north, Columbus, Ohio. Check them out. Also follow them on Instagram. But we're going to see what all the fuss is about. Do have a lot number stamp and a Nike swoosh for those that care about that stuff. You got your red lot number, obviously. Nike swoosh on the lid. Alright. Squish on this. All right. I do like these. I don't know, man. I didn't think that I would like these, and I think I like these. I'm just, I'm just gonna be honest. I don't think they're as bad as I thought they was gonna be. Um, yeah, I might have to eat my words on these. Now, to be completely 100% transparent, I and to keep this some of the similar energy, I do wish this was darker back here. I do wish this was darker. Um, but it's not as bad as I thought, man. These are different. I wish this was darker though. I do. I wish this back panel was darker, but in hand, I actually really like this front part. It's super different. I'll put. I actually had to look up, obviously, what patina means. I don't know. I didn't know. Never heard the word patina until I was looking at this nigga. But I'll put the definition on the screen. Where's my phone? Actually, I can read along with you guys. Let me see. And it says patina. Let me keep this up here. Patina, it says a green or brown film on the surface of bronze or similar metals produced by oxidation over a long period of time. So that's what this look is. You know what I'm saying? It's like, isn't that like the Statue of Liberty, like oxidization over a long period of time? Over, because I think the Statue of Liberty initially was bronze, um, and then over time it turned green. So now I get it. I get it. I get it. I like these, man. I like these. I think that I'm just gonna leave the black laces in. I know that some people in pictures have been throwing uh, these teal laces or whatever this color is in. I like these. Is this tongue similar? Oh yeah, it's a similar tongue to the biohacks. I still haven't worn my biohacks yet. But if you look at the tongue, it has that same Nike Air patch on the tongue. Not mad at that at all. Does have the same color on the Nike Air in the insole, that green. Yo, these are pretty nice, man. I can't even lie. This one seemed my left sneaker, for those that care about that pebble tumbled look. Let's see if I can move that out of the way. My left sneaker has that nursing home skin on it, all the way to the toe box as well. This one doesn't have as much. Not that it matters to me, but that oxidized look, man, it looks like it's changing. That's dope. That's actually a dope touch. I really wish this back panel was a darker color instead of that really light gray. I feel like that doesn't make it, that doesn't look as good. Even if it was all black with like the oxidized, I can't say the damn word. It was oxidizing all over. This up here is leather as well around your ankle collar. I'm wondering if this actually wears away, or if it, if it continues to get more of that look and it turns more bronze if you rub it. Because that's what I heard. Oh, I got some glue stains on this side real bad on this. Look at that. On that Nike swoosh. That's real bad right there. Right there. Whew. Yuck. But it's all good. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below, man. I'm going to have to eat my words. It's not the dopest Air Jordan 1 of all time or anything like that. But it's definitely not trash. It's definitely better than expected. I'm going to probably leave black laces in mine. I might throw a sail lace in there just to see what it looks like. But when I wear it out, it's probably going to be with black laces in, just to keep it simple. This is already doing enough back here. I don't need it to be too crazy. But I'm happy, and I hit on a second pair. Yeah, I hit on Sneakers app this morning as well. So I'll be letting that one go. Obviously, this is definitely not a double up sneaker, but as a sneakerhead, man, we just can't. I got the email that I want on these at probably, I don't know, whenever time I woke up. It was early in the morning, like right before, a couple hours before Sneakers app dropped, and I couldn't help myself but to still go for it on Sneakers, even though I posted on IG that now I don't have to go. I can't not enter raffles. It's just, I just can't help myself. So I was lucky enough to hit on a second pair as well. But I'm just thankful, man, that I've been really on a good winning streak, man. I can't complain as much as I want to about things that I really, really want. But I have to be thankful when I am able to hit on things and be grateful. So this is another one for the collection. Kind of made me eat my words. I don't change. I kept the same energy. I still don't like this light back, but this front part, is not bad, man. It's actually dope. It's actually dope, and I think the way the leather looks, quality makes it dope. So I'm done rambling, man. I appreciate y'all. Hit the notification bell. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. You can hit the thumbs down and still hit the notification bell. I'm cool with that as well. Just hit the notification bell. And I'm out of here. OV! Whose world is this?
taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, my rock and maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World,